right, guys, today's a huge day for me. I'm just leaving the shop at Auto Action here in Kenilworth, and I'm here with the owner, Joe. He's the owner of Auto Action. They just did a custom sunroof for my Charger, which didn't have a sunroof, and I told you guys I don't like cars without sunroofs. So Joe's gonna give us a quick demo of how it works.
Okay, so now the sunroof is vented. You hit the close button, sunroof closes. Hit the open button, sunroof fully opens. It's an inbuilt sunroof, so it goes inside the vehicle, right? Then you go ahead and you hit close again. Closes. There's a vent shade, and you press that vent. Now if you close the door and you shut the vehicle off, let's just go ahead and open the door. It automatically shuts down, so you can never leave your sunroof open. No
Wow.
rain will come in, nothing like that.
Wow. Wow, so clean. It looks seriously factory. They did the headliner so clean. These guys are amazing. I'm so satisfied with this. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Guys, this is Auto Action here in Kenilworth on North Michigan Ave. They do a great job. I'll definitely be coming to them in the future. Search them up on Google if you're here in New Jersey and you need to do some work to your car. They do a lot of stuff. They do PPF coating, ceramic coating, custom interiors, anything you could think of. Come to these guys.
Thank you. Thank you,
Joe.
brother.
It was a pleasure, man. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you, man.
Best of luck.
Yeah, man. When you don't have a sunroof, you gotta add one. I mean, come on, man. This is awesome. Let's take a look on from the outside. Joe was kind enough to give us that great demo. But hold on, let me pop the vent. It's a one touch. Works just like a factory. Man, look how clean that is, man. It looks OEM to me, man. Look at that. Look at that, dude. And I was so pissed that this car didn't have the sunroof, but it basically had everything else I wanted, like the heated steering wheel, because it gets cold here in Jersey. You know, the heated seats, ventilated seats in the summer. This is actually a GT Plus trim. So yeah, dude, I'm souped. This is perfect, just in time for the incoming summer. All right, YouTube.